Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is hey. If I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore. But you can keep a secret, eh? Pretty special, no? We're gonna need some very nice ingredients if we wanna make it. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna taste, better. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Now this is a meal that would make my mama squeal with joy. You should give it a try. Let me give you that recipe just one more time. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by